To add PayPal to Depop, start by opening the Depop app and navigating to your profile page. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down to the Payment and Payouts section and tap on Payment Methods. You will see a list of available payment methods, including PayPal. Tap on PayPal and you will be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email address and password to authenticate your account. Once you have logged in, you will be asked to authorize Depop to connect to your PayPal account. Review the terms and conditions and tap Agree to authorize the connection. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to the Depop app. Your PayPal account will now be linked to your Depop account, and you can use it to receive payments from buyers. To ensure a smooth transaction process, make sure your PayPal account is verified and in good standing. Additionally, be aware that Depop charges a transaction fee on all sales, and this fee will be deducted from your payout. It is also important to note that you can only connect one PayPal account to your Depop account at a time. If you need to change your PayPal account, you will need to disconnect the existing account and repeat the connection process with the new account. By following these steps, you can easily add PayPal to Depop and start receiving payments from buyers. Remember to always keep your PayPal account information up to date and secure to avoid any issues with your transactions. In summary, connecting PayPal to Depop is a straightforward process that requires logging into your PayPal account, authorizing the connection, and verifying your account information. By doing so, you can safely and securely receive payments from buyers and grow your Depop business.